In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. Creating a playlist on YouTube is very simple, and I'm here to show you how you can do this. There are so many ways that you can make a playlist on YouTube. When watching a video on YouTube, you'll see a button to save a video. Click on this. You get the option to add a video to your watch later or add it to any of the playlists you have created before. Below this, you're going to see the option to create a new playlist. You can create a playlist when you click on the three dots beside a video. You see the option to save to playlist. When you click on this, you still get the same options in this section. From your YouTube studio, you can create a playlist. When you click on create at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see new playlist. When you click on this, you also still get the same option. When you're also editing your video on YouTube Studio or uploading a video to YouTube, under the playlist you also see the option to create a new playlist. Depending on where you are creating a playlist, you have different details that you can fill. When creating a playlist from a video you're watching, you only be able to enter the name of the playlist and privacy for your playlist. When creating a playlist from YouTube Studio, you can also enter the description and default video order. Now, if you choose to create a playlist from a YouTube video, you can always go back to edit those details, which I'm going to show you how you can do that. Enter the name for the playlist, and under the privacy, when you make a playlist public, anyone can search and view that playlist. If you unlist a playlist, only people with the link can view that playlist, and with privacy, only you can view the playlist. So select your preferred option and then click on create. Your playlist is going to be created and your video will be added to that playlist. Now, to view your saved playlist, all you need to do is go back to your YouTube home screen, and at your left sidebar you will see playlist. Click on playlist and this will list all the playlists that you have created. You can easily edit the playlist by clicking on the three dots under the playlist, and you see the option to delete and edit your playlist. Click on edit playlist. If you're not taking to edit the playlist immediately, you're going to see collaborate. Collaborators can add videos to this playlist. If you toggle this on, you'll be given a link that you can share with a collaborator. Copy the link and then open a new tab on your browser, paste and open the link, and then you'll be able to edit and organize your playlist. So if you have multiple videos in your playlist, you'll be able to organize their order. You can also edit the name of your playlist, edit the description, share your playlist link, download the videos. You have more actions such as add videos, add all to a new playlist, add collaborators, change your playlist settings, which includes allow embedding, adding new videos to top of playlist, and set as official series for this playlist. You can also change the visibility of the playlist in this section. On mobile, you also be able to create a new playlist by tapping on the three dots under the video, and you see the option to save to playlist. Click on this and here you can create new playlist. Also, while watching a video, under the video you'll see the save button. Tap on this and you'll also be able to create a new playlist from here. To view and edit your newly created playlist, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and after history you see all your playlists. You can tap on your preferred playlist to take you to edit and organize your playlist. So that is how to make a playlist on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.